In the top left corner is the identity plate. The default may be the Lightroom logo or the name that you use in your account setup. Click on Edit. An identity plate setup. In the identity plate editor, Adobe ID will show the name that you use in your Adobe account setup. Lightroom Classic is the one currently showing in our Lightroom display. And Personalized allows you to change the text and even the graphic. Ensure User Style Text Identity Plate is selected. Type the text you require. You must highlight the text. And then from the drop-down select the font style as you prefer. You will see the text change in the identity plate at the top left corner. You can also use a picture or logo by clicking on the radio button called Use a Graphical Identity Plate, and then on Locate File. You will need to have an image that has suitable dimensions for the identity plate. Choose the image you want and click OK. Your image will now be shown in the identity plate. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.